Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, we keep hearing a lot of issues on Windows 11 24H2. And unfortunately, we're not sure of how many people are having issues. I mean, we say it often, the people that have problems are the ones that we hear their voice. So it, of course, always seems to be huge issues. It is more than usual, definitely, that the problems that are having with 24H2, but the majority of people are fine. I'm fine on all of my PCs here that are running 24H2. And so it's, a certain number of people, sometimes has to do with the hardware, the way it's installed, the software you got. There's so many things that can make the Windows updates go wrong for very, very specific reasons. But we don't have much issues or much information about the issues. Microsoft is starting to come out a little more. What is happening is that they seem to have acknowledged a little more of the problems that there is in Windows 11 24H2, including the Wi-Fi that a lot of people have issues with. Some have asked if it actually works with Ethernet, and from what I see, it seems to be only Wi-Fi. So it has to do with something that is maybe with specific Wi-Fi adapters that are having issues. There are some people saying that they have issues when they moved from 23H2 to 24H2. And what they did is just roll back the update so that they don't have to see if it fixes anything. And of course, when they roll back to 23H2, things that were broken are back to normal. So this is kind of interesting. I'm looking at the Microsoft page where they have the known issues. There's a lot of the problems that are not there. It sometimes takes quite a while for Microsoft to acknowledge some of the problems. But definitely 24H2 is a big mess for some of the users out there that are just having problem over problem over problem. And I think that this needs to be addressed a little more by Microsoft, because even though, like I said, the majority of people have a fine PC that has no problems on 24H2, the fact that there's a little more than usual means there's quite a few people still stuck with all sorts of issues. So we'll actually be looking into that, and as we go into 2025, early 2025, hopefully Microsoft will be addressing a lot of the issues that are being seen. It's difficult to help out in this 24H2 list of problems, basically, that people are having, because it is not very clear as to how specific to hardware or some configuration things are happening. And so what happens is that you got to just look at the big picture and try to find a pattern in all of this. But if we get more info on how to help out here, definitely, of course, these videos will show up, and hopefully things are going to be fine. So hang in there if you got issues. For Wi-Fi issues, you can either roll back, or you can also, for some, you can also use an Ethernet cable temporarily to plug in your PC directly into the modem or router that you're using. And hopefully 2025 is not going to be a big mess for some of you with the updates of Windows 11, because already Windows 11 has a bad image. You just don't want to make that bad image worse. One thing for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.